Welcome to Do It Yourself A to Z. Today I'm going to talk about the 8-inch Sunjoe pole chainsaw and the 10-inch Sunjoe pole chainsaw. Let's talk about the 8-inch one first. I really like both. This one I like because you can take it apart and use it as a small chainsaw and just leave the pole out. You do that by pressing the button here, taking that section off, press the button here, and that takes this section off. By the way, the pole extends. Well, I guess it's already extended as much as it goes. No, there it goes. Okay, the pole extends. What you do if you just want to use a small chainsaw, you put this back together, handle in the saw section, and lock it in place. And these are both electric. I like this 8-inch one because of this reason that I can take it apart and just use it as a very light, small chainsaw. This bigger one, the 10-inch one, I got because I had some bigger branches I wanted to cut. This I like because you can change the angle of the blade. You just turn this knob and it allows you to cut with the blade at an angle. That way you can get, say this is the branch, you can get up cut from the top down that way instead of having to cut right from the side and risk it jamming. Put that back. I highly recommend both of these chainsaws. They really work well and they're inexpensive. The only defect, I guess I would call it, is with the 8-inch chainsaw. Right in here in this area there was a plastic blade tightening screw. And the minute I opened up the package, I thought to myself that it looked really fragile. And when I was cutting a branch and the blade jammed, the plastic tensioning screw broke right off. So it was either buy a new one and install it and hope for the best that it wouldn't happen again, or think up some other way to fix it. And that's what I did. I took a piece of mulch, if you can get a close-up of that, put it in between the bar and the housing, and then tightened it down. First pulling the bar real tight and then tightening it down, and that keeps it from loosening up. And I've used it many times since I did that. You might call it a MacGyvering, and I haven't had to tighten it up since then. Now you can leave comments below about what you think of this repair. You might call it a white trash repair, like I remember Jay Leno on The Tonight Show used to have a segment called White Trash Repairs, where people would do these ridiculous repairs, and then at the end he'd say, "There, I fixed it." No, you didn't. But I think this works really well, and it's free. I had the 8-inch saw first, and then I bought the 10-inch one. And if one of these broke down completely, I'd buy another Sunjoe chainsaw. I like them so much. The only drawback being that very fragile plastic tensioning screw. If you like this video and found it useful, please click on the thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't like it. And in order to get notifications of future videos in this series, click on the subscribe button. I would just say before I close, always use eye protection. I'm not gonna turn this on, plug it in and turn it on. I'm just demonstrating the other aspects of it. And when cutting a branch, always use the bottom of the saw, cut downward, because of the way the saw rotates. If it jams, it will buck that way. If you try to cut under a branch, it will, if it jams, it will buck back towards you and could injure you. You have to be careful. Thank you for watching.